Hello? How are you doing, sir? What are you doing here? Well, I don't know, you tell me. Why are you laying over here? Oh, you're relaxing? This is not a relaxing place, though. It's not. Can you get up? Alright.
Am I doing something wrong?
Yeah, you are. You're not supposed to lay here.
This is a park.
45 years.
Mr. Flores, don't
They're
start.
gone. They're at the school.
Don't start, or we'll just take you for camping right now. I'm not putting up with your shit today. This is a park for kids to play at, not for you to come here with your dumb shit. Stop talking. Close your mouth.
I'm telling you, I've been
All
here
right.
45 years. How long have you been here?
Turn around.
Can't me out.
Tired of your shit.
Yeah, you ain't cut it.
Stop.
All right.
Stop.
You got your camera on?
Yes.
Stop.
All right. Make sure the camera's on. I'm talking internal affairs.
Not dealing with your shit today. This is a park for kids.
No, they're not here yet.
Doesn't
Well,
matter.
get
It's still a
out.
park for kids.
It don't matter.
Yeah, it does.
Are you done?
Are you done?
No, I've been done.
Walk over to the car.
Not a car.
Stop. Put your stomach on the blue line. Separate your feet. You got anything illegal on your person? Anything that's gonna poke us, stick us, cut us, blow us up? You got any needles on you?
Do I got a needle for him?
I don't know.
Diabetic?
I don't know what kind of
Are
shit
you an
got.
asshole? You're being an asshole.
Oh, okay.
I've been here 45 years, doing way before you got here.
What does that got to do with anything?
Yeah, go home.
Stop. Stop trying to turn around.
I'm not resisting.
Stop trying to turn around.
I can turn around when I want to.
No, you can't.
You got your camera
You're not
on,
in
right?
charge.
I'm calling internal affairs.
That's nice. Get in.
All right. I'll get in. And what's your badge number?
Get in.
Shut up.
Turn your face away.
Shut up. Boy, you ain't nobody. I'm just going to jail. I'll get a vacation.
I don't really know if that's his. We'll take the bag. We'll see if it's his.
Yeah, he had it the other day.
Did he?
Yeah. We're Atlantic. Doesn't have you or anything.
Okay. Toss that. Is that open?
The bottle?
Yeah. And toss that too. And I'm gonna take open stuff with us.
Deck is closed?
Yes. Oh, hey, look at that. Alcohol in the park.
It's not open.
Doesn't matter.
Throw that away too.
Yeah, it's probably got alcohol in it too. It was
Mouthwash.
yellow mouthwash.
Yeah,
There you
the cheapest kind, yeah. Throw that.
Hey. Randy Chris. Look at that. Vodka. Come on, Paul 99. Show us one male in custody. Toss that stuff in the back with him. All right, so we got alcohol in the park. We got park rules, bike not in the rack. We got camping. Is there Independent County? Actually,
Grab my bike. I want my bike at the police station. When I get out, I'll get out. Judge Wilson will say, "What are you in jail for?" 99999, city ordinance. Yeah, go tell a secret to her. You better have the camera on because I'm calling internal investigations. Internal investigations will get on your ass. I want my bike at the police station. There ain't no kids here. They don't get out until I've been here 45 years, way before you got here. What did I do wrong? I don't know. I was just laying down. You watch when you get to jail and see what they say. Man, you're being a stupid bitch like they are. What the hell you riding through the grass for? The camera's on. I'm calling Colonel Paris right away, Bible. As soon as I get there, I'm writing them. Internal investigations. I need your badge now. When you watch, you see everybody in the jail, they're gonna say, "Paulie, what are you here for?" Today's Labor Day, man. I got a day off of work. Are you retarded? I'll do my time like a man, but you'll never get promoted again. I'll guarantee you that. When I call internal affairs, when I write internal affairs, you'll never get that corporal badge. Never. You're dumb. You're not even from here. You're probably from Miami. You're taking me to jail for no reason for laying down. What is the ordinance on that? It's not camping because I had nothing on my head. What is the city ordinance on that? Tell me. Or don't you know? Are you retarded or you hide behind the badge? What's your excuse? Are you guys retarded or what? You gonna put me in jail for laying down on the sidewalk? No kids around. I know when they get out. I've been here 45 years. My girlfriend, federal agent. I didn't no harm to nobody, man. I just relaxing for a minute. That's all I was doing. I live here 45 years. I'm a freshwater cone. I work every day. My Bayview police station. If not, I'm billing you for it. I'm calling internal affairs on both of you. I'll get the police report. Whatever you say on that police report, you're going to make sure it's right. You got the camera on, correct? Okay. Well, just make sure that's right. I'm going to jail for no reason. 99999 city ordinance. You ain't had no charge. I'm going to sue you, individual, not the jail. I'm going to sue you. You're abusing your authority. My old lady's FBI agent in Stock Island, Gina, from Texas. She came over here to set you guys straight because she knows how crooked you guys are. She said, "Don't worry, Paulie, we'll get them." That's my girlfriend. I'll win. I know already I'm going to win. I didn't do nothing wrong. I was just laying there. And the camera's on. You guys said the camera was on, right? You can't back yourself up. When that camera's on, they're going to request a camera. Video don't lie. I wasn't doing nothing wrong but laying there. I understand if I was doing something wrong, then you can do something, but no. You just got sued by $1.7 million. Correction officer sued you guys. The jail you're going to right now. They're all my buddies. What am I going to jail for? That's what I want to know. What's your charge? You're going to make one up? You can't make one up. It's illegal to make a charge up. You know that. It's a felony. You can't make up a charge. If you lie in a sworn affidavit, what you're going to sign, that is a felony. It's a 5-year felony. So you better make sure you write down why I'm going to jail. I didn't do nothing wrong. Because I'm calling internal affairs as soon as I get to jail. I'm writing them and I'm going to tell them both your badge numbers. I got your police report. And I'm going to get your badge numbers. And I'm going to say both of them. Are you lying or not? What was I doing wrong?